Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisi Wakho. I-agent lakaKhanyisa Maya liphinde lirepresente nombekezeli Mbokazi namanye ama-top talents ebholeni lase-South Africa. Seliphinde laqinisekisa noma la-confirm futhi ukuthi uKhanyisa Maya kwakumele aze ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Last year, not even this year, that time abuya laphana ku-Cape Town City, but i-Kaizer Chiefs uthi yaba slow noma yafika late sebavumelane ne-deal ne-team yase-North Africa because of uJohn Commett, umphathi laphana e-Cape Town City, wavumelana nale team leyase-Algeria ngey'ndaba zey'mali. Khanyisa Mayo-ke wahamba wadlala isizini eyodwa nje kuphela, but-ke kwaba ney'nkinga behind closed doors. Asazi ukuthi ezani uMayo bangamrejisti isizini mayiqala. He was forced ukuthi kumele abheke i-team, kanti i-Kaizer Chiefs sase-interested kuye, yakwazi ukumthatha nge-loan. But-ke this raises question bafowethu ukuthi kanti uMayo because of yena wayefuna ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, ama-player wanayo i-right yokunqaba na ukuthengiswa just nje for any other team, ukuthi umdlali yena ngifuna ukuya kule team le, umphathi wami ungithengisa kwenye indawo, khona amanga akakhona la between the-agent nabanye, because at the end of the day kufuneka i-signature ye-player, i-signature lese ye-agent ukuthi bavumelane ngezinto. Angasho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs yaba slowly kwamanye ama-department, but-ke i-deal bayi-rejecta. Nangumfana ubani lo mfana lo Cape Town, u-Ashane, iMamelodi Sundowns ivumelane i-deal ne-team ne-Cape Town Spurs, ne-Cape Town naye Cape Town City bafowethu wayi-reject umfana, wathi akayena lapha, azange usahleli laphana because of ufuna i-move ya-overseas. So nabo ezi-agents bebangakwazi ukulinda, but-ke ama-agent anamanga, hhayi, bacabanga nje imali at the time, bathi nayi imali la sokwazi bese kuthola lesa i-signing on fee engcono, whatever engcono, wahamba-ke. Sebuya ku-Chiefs because of yi-option enkulu, and then naye vele bekafuna ukudlalela i-Chiefs. Umayo bekafuna ukudlalela i-Chiefs, but-ke labantu laba abahendlela ama-deal yibo abaphusha i-deal yase-North Africa. Umbuzo omkhulu bafethu ukuthi uMayo uzokwenza, has he done enough now ukuthi maybe i-Chiefs i-consider ukuthi imsayine, icabanga ukumsayina permanently, seyimnika i-2 year contract, 3 year contract, whatever contract, wenze enough na ama-contribution wakhe laphana ethimini. Ngiyazi ukuthi kusasele isikhathi bafowethu, because masibuya ku-AFCON uMayo uzohamba, i-deal yakhe ku-Chiefs iphela ngeyi-30 June, I think, if not ngeyi-20, if not ngeyi-30 May, because i-league iphela around season fully fledged season iphela around June. So ilo i-contract yakhe la isayinile i-loan izophela. So i-Chiefs kumele i-decide ukuthi izomnika i-permanent deal or ngeke imnike i-permanent deal. But one thing for sure, ngoMayo abasamfuni e-Algeria, kumele ahambe. Maybe i-Chiefs ingazama ukunegotiate i-deal e-less than le 11 million le abayi-expectile noma abayifunayo laphana e-North Africa, ukuthi akwazi ukuhlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs. If akenzi kahle-ke, i-Chiefs izoba forced ukuthi imdedele ayozama somewhere else. But-ke mehamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngama-better salaries, better environment, facilities and everything, uzoyapha uKhanyisa Maya. But i-agent lakhe liphinde la-confirm futhi ukuthi noma like la-confirm ukuthi uKhanyisa Maya uye wachoose i-Kaizer Chiefs, but bekunama-offers from e-Europe nase-Middle East, but yena bekafuna ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uyathanda ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, uyafuna ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, uyafuna ukulwa inside the field of play, but-ke uthola ithimu engekho esimeni esi-right, masikhuluma iqiniso bafethu. So he can try to fight, but he can't fight alone. Maybe ku-position yakhe ezinamba ezi-striker bamdlalise according to i-strength sakhe, nezinye izinto nje ezenzakalayo laphana ethimini, ukuthi akekho umuntu o-guaranteed ukuthi adlale. I-confidence ye-player ingathatha i-knock e-serious, uthole ukuthi umfana uphenduka inkomo, kanti no, ithimu engekho in sync, izinto ezinjalo. But only time will tell ukuthi uPaseka, why ngithi uPaseka, uKhanyisa Mayo uzokwazi ukuthola i-permanent deal ne-Chiefs. But as things stand, akukho obvious because of asikakaboni lutho olutheni that much from yena umfana. Siyamazi ukuthi u-talented, siyamazi ukuthi uyathanda ukushaya amagoli, siyamazi ukuthi super skillful. Previous game against i-Chippa United simbonile edlala laphana esayidini, bamfaka second half, and simbonile ashaya ama-cross, taking players on, something different man from yena. Siyazi ukuthi u-versatile, but-ke umdlalo good ongayisiza i-Kaizer Chiefs kakhulu. Are they gonna give him a permanent deal? So linda sibone. Izophela isizini engasikudala, and then i-Chiefs kumele ithathe i-decision ukuthi iyamsayina permanent or not. Then asimuvele komunye bafethu, uGeorge Mahlo. Abantu balindile online bafethu, ngiyazi balinde ukuthi nje adrop i-performance epoor and then baqala ukum-attack. I think naye udlala une-pressure ukuthi ufuna ukuprove abantu wrong, especially online, because uyazi ukuthi they will come for him. But I can see Chippa United akabanikanga abantu i-reason yokuthi bam-attack ukuthi lese udlala epoor, Ngicabanga ukuthi at the same time lento yakhe social media buzz ukuthi I mean ziningi izinto abantu abazishoyo ngaye after le video yakhe noMukoko, ukuthi abantu be-Orlando Pirates baba offended kakhulu. So naye kumele approve i-point in terms of just nje ama-performances wakhe ukuthi every game, every chance ayitholayo akwazi uku-improve nokuphefoma kahle, ukuthi abantu bangama-attack-i kakhulu because into abazoyisho abantu yokuqala ukuthi ubhizi ngama-video call, ubhizi nge-comedy but egrawundini awuphefoma kahle. So i-pressure nakuye ukuthi aphefome, but a solid performance from yena laphana ku-Chippa United. Mina I would say, I'll be honest ngithi I didn't expect much from him, but-ke with what I saw I was impressed ukuthi okay, he's willing to put in a fight angithi ukulwa laphana for i-team, and he gave a relatively a good performance than le performance mina le bengiyi-expectile ukuthi uzovela abe lazy laphana angaphushi enough. So I think lapho I can give him ukuthi ungiprove wrong, ukuthi nje aqhubeke adlale kahle. I think nalento leya online iyamshape, iyamsiza naye ukuthi uyazi ukuthi manje abantu abaningi bambhekile and ba-ready for ukuthi bam-attack-e if udrobha i-performance ephuwa. Sithembe ukuthi lento ya-online because uyayazi izohlezi ihleli la kuye ukuthi abantu attack him once waphefoma poor, so izokwazi ukumphusha ukuthi adelive ama-good performances. Sibonile nama-players wakho nama-teammates wakhe already ayam-celebrate-a umfana, but i-competition i-tough, i-tight kakhulu laphana esiswini. Sobona ukuthi obani abazokwazi ukuwina le battle leya laphana esiswini yaku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, kunzima kakhulu. Then I wanna talk about lento le kancane lento leyokuwina ama-prizes laphana kuthiwa Sibonise ugqokeni uwina ama-prizes. Ubaba lo bafethu bekumele agqoke njengomama noma ngithi njengosisi ukuthi azawine le mali le wayewina-ke, ngoba le competition le i-scam, iwina osisi noma omama kuphela bafethu. Imagine bambalwa kabo obaba abayiwinayo la, angibaboni nokubabona mina bafethu, masingababala kaze bawungaki. It shows ukuthi ezinye izinto udodi nje bafethu, to be fair. You can't have a sport, ngizoyiphinda ngike ngayisho lento le few weeks ago, over a month ago, ukuthi kanjani isport esisupportiwa lesiye obaba 95%, njengoba manje sekune-competition. Obviously they can try and have different ways ukuthi okay, this week kuwina laba, or batshentshisane kube ne-50-50. Kangithi South Africa kuthandwa lento ukuthi 50-50, kube ne-50-50 ukuthi okay, ama-winners ngoba kunama-matches awu-300 and something, aba-150 akuba amadoda, and then aba-150, sengenze example because ngiyazi ukuthi ayi-300 and something ama-matches over, uma siwabala nje wonke season, half bafethu 50-50. Hhayi lento lokuthi njalo sesiyazi ukuthi uma isister ozowina, sinjalo. Bheka nobaba abantu bekumele a-forced agqoke njengosisi or njengomama ukuthi akwazi ukuwina. I-scam lento le, kodwa-ke izinto ey'ningi vele iyi-scam. Hhayi ziyamangaza izinto, but noma bangayivala lento la, i-benefit abantu laba abathanda ibhola ngokweqiniso, i-benefit abantu manje abaya laphana e-stadium ngoba ama-fashion sense wabo nanokuthi babe outrageous, Nkosi yami isiNgisi, out of this world, or just simplicity. Abanye-ke abawu-my sister bawina just based on ukuthi nje osisi nje kuphela, yabo. So yeah, hayi ziyakhala, ayivala i-competition ye-scam bafethu. Ngifuna ukumuva to uMfundo Vilakazi ngoba-ke lento yakhe ne-girlfriend yakhe seyi-public bafethu, and ngibonile abanye abantu bam-attack bathi ubhizi nomjolo lalizwayo ungasadlali kahle. Ngike ngayimenshina kulabantu abangilandelayo bazoyikhumbula ukuthi sise-stadium. I wanted to ukukhuluma naye phambi kwabantu abaningi. In fact khona into bengifuna ukuyipresenta kuye, akwavela le ntombi yakhe emuva kwami, abantu laba baqabulana phambi kwethu e-stadium. I mean ile nto le ngike ngayisho ukuthi noma kuthiwa uMfundo Vilakazi bayazenza izinto, but-ke bacabanga ukuthi uyi-image, uyi-brand, ubonwa abantu abaningi, izinto azenzayo abantu bazomcrucify-a or bazobheka lezi zinto lezi zemijolo, zomjolo wakhe ukuthi hhayi, ngoba soyajola ingakho yabo, zonke nje lezo zinto lezo. Kumele a-minimize izinto zakhe azenza public because of ubani nanokuthi urepresent-ani, udlalelani, yabo. Azenze izinto zakhe vele umjida, but-ke abe aware naye ukuthi uzenza kuphi kanjani bafethu, because thina simfisela okuhle kuphela, asifuni ukuthi abantu ba-turn against yena based on just umjolo. Cause when I saw lesithombe online, I was like, okay, ngizokhuluma ngaso cause thousands and thousands of abantu bayakhomenta ngaso manje ukuthi ya, yiyo lento le yamantombazane ekwenza ukuthi ungasadlali kahle. Before lezi zinto zakho zomjolo bowudlala kahle, yabo. But yeah, it's shame ukuthi zingam-affect izinto outside, just a-focus egemini yakho mfana, aqhubeke adeliver ama-results. And enye into e-positive ayenzayo laphana, sekenza lezi zinto lezi ze-fashion, uthatha ama-photoshoot, zonke lezo zinto lezo. Kusho ukuthi lezi zinto le fashion le yakhona bayam-advertise-isa izinto ezinjalo. Asazi ukuthi bayamkhokhela or kanjani, but in most cases siyazi ukuthi abafana bayakhokhelwa ukuthi benze lezi zinto lezi. Unless if maybe wenzela umuntu nje omaziyo, umngani wakho, ukhulisa i-brand yakhe, izinto ezinjalo. But-ke I'm sure they won't just wake up and do it for free. Isikhathi sakhe lesi. Abayenzi imali abafana, but babhalanse mani nokwebhola. Bazi ukuthi isinkwa sabo sibuya kuphi? Ebholeni kakhulu bafethu, before okunye, yabo. Maybe-ke if wenza lezi zinto lezi zama-ads, like izinto ezimnika imali serious. I saw him advertise yiphi imoto, ngizoyikhumbula. Le deal le uyihlanganisele i-agency yakhe, ngathi, oh, this is a proper nice deal, yabo. Ngabona ukuthi hayi i-deal e-right, i-association yakhe nale deal le, everything nje is in order. Siyazi ukuthi wenza imali-ke kakhulu from lezo zinto lezo. But ezinye izinto angamixi nazo. Why? Because of ngeke zimsize nganiksi at the end of the day. Sifuna ukumbona umfana aqhubeka, ashayina, abe yi-superstar, a-elevate igame yakhe. Angimbone aba-emotional lapha egemini, yini le game ezamaleke ekhala immediately after uLo Solomon ukora la bhola. Don't let the emotions get to you. We understand ukuthi you are young and then ezinye izinto easy ziyaku-affect, but don't let people see the other side of you and ukhaliswa egoli, yabo. So because of uyazi ukuthi i-social media izokugwinya uma ungakoranga or i-team ingadlalanga kahle, abantu bazo-react-a kakhulu. Ama-player we-Chiefs isikhathi esiningi adlala abacabanga nge-social media. That is why uJosh Matlou abaningi bamphostile manje ukuthi udlale kahle kakhulu. Forget about social media. If niyancumana, ncumanani in public bafethu, because the same thing eniyenzayo nenithi positive for ama-player fine, bawuna-attack-a ngayo ukuthi iphosta nani futhi manje ngoba ningawinanga or mese nidliwe ngelinye ilanga. So keep your things like amongst yourselves as ama-player, don't involve i-public, yabo. But yeah, good thing for umfana laphana uVilakazi ukuthi azi-associate nama-brands, nama-designers, nabantu bey'mpahla, izinto ey'njalo, ukuthi umfana abe more prolific in terms of generating money, akhulise ne-brand yakhe ukuthi ibe nkulu. Qhubeke njalo umfana enze ey'bukwayo, but-ke abe aware ukuthi ufaka ey'ntweni ey'njani, ney'ntombi in public. Hayi, kodwa kumjide at the end of the day, sothini bafowethu. But simfisela okuhle kuphela thina mfana. Ox Mthethwa madoda, Kabination, ibhinca. Yeah, currently injured u-Ox Mthethwa. Naye-ke bamthatha ama-photoshoot. I think naye there's a brand maybe angayi-advertiser because of Brentwood. I remember there was a time basebenzisa uBig Zulu. U-Ox naye uyi-brand enkulu manje ngoba-ke usebenza ne-Kaizer Chiefs, noma usebenzela i-Kaizer Chiefs, noma ngithi udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. So ezinye izinto zizoza with ease kuye, ama-deals, izinto ezinjalo. So when i-opportunity mayivela bafethu isebenziseni, as long as nje you are getting something out of i-brand association and everything. Sithemba ukuthi Mthetho uzo-recover fast. Akusiyinto ebad lento le, injury le yakhe, uzobuya ngokushesha bafethu because of i-team iyamdinga. Khona ama-matches are-difficult, i-team ezowadlala kumele abe khona, but kungcono ngoba isizini iyavalwa for 7 weeks or so, plus 7 weeks lapho nje. By the time ibuya sithemba ukuthi bonke abadlali bazobe bekhona, nalaba bonke abalimele bafethu bazobe bakhona. Laba abangakaze badlale nabo bazoba ready to give 100% and represent the team, and babonise o-coach nabo abafana ukuthi bayadeserve ukuba sesquadini, bayadeserve ukuselect. Umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi o-coach-ke bazobe bekhona na mesibuya ku-international break, noma ku-AFCON break, noma ku-December break, because siyobuya ama-teams I think azobuya ngoJanuwari, vele bazovula January, lesiye ngabo yi-10 ngabo yibani, and then badlale baqala ukudlala ngo-20 something January laphana ama-player mebuya ku-AFCON. Why ngithe i-CAF? Ku-AFCON, yeah. Cela ukuyibamba lana bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Ifashion madoda, ibhola, amantombazane, kwaze kwamnandi emhlabeni.